So welcome back to Basin Motorsports. I'll tell you, between having the WideFox vinyl done that I just finished up a Chevy Avalanche wrap, and I'm about to jump in the wrap on the 86, I have been going through microfiber towels like crazy. Now, if you ever looked at microfiber towels, they are typically made of like a polyester and some other things, and it's a list. Let's just say they're plastic. Now, what that means for microfiber care is that you can't treat them like you would a normal bath towel. You've got to do something a little bit different with the cleaning, the drying, and what you can and can't mix with them. So today I'm going to go over how to care properly for your microfiber towels to get the use out of them for as long as they last. All right, so obviously microfiber towels, you're probably doing a lot of cleaning, and it's probably with, if it's a vinyl wrap or if you're using it to beat up water, anything off running your car, that they get dirty. Their job literally is to collect as much dirt and grime as possible and keep it and not transfer it back out. These things, these little suckers right here, all the fibers in there are meant to grab everything they can. Now, when it comes time to take these and wash them, here's what you need to do to make sure they're going to last. So the first thing to note that microfiber towels, because they love to grab everything they can, they should not be washed with anything other than microfiber towels or similar materials. Why I say that is if you throw them in with your favorite underwear, your gym socks, or anything else that has a little bit of lint, these guys right here are going to collect every last bit of it. And what it does, it ends up clogging up the little pores in the towels. It means they no longer grab all that dirt, grime, and anything else you're wiping them with. They just become basically like Kleenex. Wipe them up, throw them away, because they basically can't do what they're supposed to do, and that's grab everything they can. Now, when you're going to wash them, again, probably going to wash them in either lukewarm water or cold water. Probably cold is a little safer, but you can get away with warm water. Definitely don't go for hot. And the reason is these guys are plastic, so anything heat related, you know what heat and plastic does, it basically melts. These guys are delicate enough. Don't wash them in hot water. Wash them in cold or lukewarm only. Now again, as far as washing them, obviously you're going to use water and you're probably going to use a detergent. Now on microfiber towels, there are things specifically for microfiber products. Now something I had picked up recently is some Chemical Guys microfiber wash. Now again, I picked this up off Amazon, but you can probably get it at a lot of different places. I'll definitely throw you a link down in the description so you can check it out. But this stuff is meant specifically for microfiber. Now, a lot of times people think, oh, I could just throw it in with my normal Tide or anything else, and that actually can damage microfiber. Again, it's plastic, it's got certain things, it's got certain functions, and just using anything you want for detergents may actually damage your towels. So get something that's specific, that's a tough one, specific for microfiber products. Again, Chemical Guys has something great. I'm going to check this out. And this, you don't have to use a lot. This is a big bottle. It's 16 ounces per wash load, a small wash load of probably like 20, 30 towels. You only use a couple capfuls. So a lot of this, and that's about 1 ounce at max. So a lot of this is like 16 to 32 washes right here. If you can get 20 towels in a wash, this stuff's going to go a long way. And it's pretty cheap. It's only like 10 bucks. Not bad at all. So when it comes time to dry them, remember, these are plastic. So don't throw them in the dryer on high heat. Plastic melts in high heat. So what you want to do, probably there as best as possible, line dry them. I know it sounds old school, it sounds 50s tech, but line drying them, allowing them just to basically dry in open air is going to be great for them. Keeps them nice and soft, allows the water to evaporate out. No issues there. If you have to use a dryer, go on the very lowest setting as possible. If you can turn the heat off and just allow them to spin in there and flick off the water, that's the best case scenario if you have to use a dryer. So that's it. I know it sounds pretty complicated, but it's really not. Use the proper products, use them in cold, and these babies will go from dingy to clean in no time. So that's it, guys. That's how you take care of microfiber products. They are a little specialized. Take good care of them, and they will stay nice and soft. Here's a little towel rack. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you need any questions on vinyl wraps, wide bodies, Mustangs, or anything else on restoration, you know where to find me. We'll see you next time.